Hello beauties, welcome to Women Hairstyles. I want you guys to please check out this beautiful short natural haircut for women that want a simple yet classy cut. This is a haircut that is liberating and is a life-saving haircut for women that really want a beautiful low maintenance haircut that they wake up from the sleep, take their bath and they are good to go. You can see how this haircut is so beautiful, it's so classy, more especially for the matured women, because every woman wants something that is simple but yes will still make them beautiful. So it's a cut that will take many years off your age and make you look so sophisticated. When it comes to short natural haircut, it makes you look so unique. You know, when you are in the crowd, you are different from the rest of the other women and you are different from the rest of the crowd. So it's a haircut that will boost your personality and boost your confidence and make you look so beautiful out there. If it's the first time here in Women Hairstyles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. This is indeed an empowering haircut that gives every woman that sense of freedom, and it's a style that the society will really view as beauty. So you can rock it to rock, you can rock it for any professional gathering, you can rock it for any occasion. So with this in mind, I just want you guys to please watch this video to the end. I say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers.